Sound of gentle wind rustling through leaves begins softly, fades slightly into background. Imagine, if you will, a world older than time itself, a world silent yet teeming with life, a world whispering secrets on the breeze. This is the world of trees, ancient beings that have stood witness to the rise and fall of civilizations, to the slow, majestic dance of the seasons. But beneath their stoic exteriors lies a hidden life, a complex network of communication and connection that is only now beginning to be understood. For centuries, we have viewed trees as solitary giants, standing apart in silent contemplation. We have admired their beauty, their strength, their enduring presence in our landscapes. Yet, beneath the surface, a vibrant, interconnected community thrives, a silent symphony played out in the rustling leaves and the subtle shifting of roots. This is the world we will explore today, a world of hidden lives, intricate relationships, and astonishing resilience. Think of the oldest trees, the redwoods that scrape the sky, the ancient oaks that have weathered countless storms. Each ring within their trunks tells a story, a tale etched in wood, of growth and hardship, of sunshine and shadow. But these rings are more than just markers of time. They are echoes of the past, whispers of the wind, the rain, the very essence of the forest itself. We will delve into the fascinating world of mycorrhizal networks, the underground fungal highways that connect trees, allowing them to share resources, communicate warnings, and even nurture their young. We'll uncover the subtle chemical signals they exchange, the silent language spoken through the soil, a language understood only by those who listen closely enough. This journey will take us into the heart of the forest, into the intimate lives of these remarkable beings. We will discover how trees adapt, survive, and even thrive in the face of adversity. We will explore the intricate balance of the forest ecosystem, a delicate web of life where every creature plays a vital role. And we will learn how, by understanding the hidden lives of trees, we can better understand ourselves and our place within the natural world. So, breathe deeply, let the sounds of the forest wash over you, and prepare to be amazed by the wonders that await. Our journey into the whispers of the woods begins now. Sound of wind and leaves gently increases, then fades slightly. Sound of gentle birdsong begins softly, fades slightly into background. Imagine a library, not of books and shelves, but of living, breathing trees. Each tree, a towering tome, its pages etched not in ink but in the very grain of its wood. This is the forest, a vast and ancient repository of knowledge, a silent observer of the passage of time, a living testament to the enduring power of nature. These arboreal libraries hold within them the accumulated wisdom of centuries, millennia even. Their growth rings, those delicate concentric circles, are chapters in a story spanning generations. Each ring speaks of a year past, a year of sunshine and rain, of hardship and growth, of the subtle shifts in climate and the slow, inexorable march of time. Within these rings, the tree stores a record of its life, a chronicle of its journey from sapling to majestic giant. But the information held within a tree extends far beyond its own personal history. The tree stands as a silent witness to the world around it, observing the ebb and flow of life, the comings and goings of countless creatures, the changing seasons, the unfolding drama of the natural world. Its leaves drink in the sunlight, its roots delve deep into the earth, absorbing the stories whispered on the wind and carried in the rain. It is a living archive, a repository of environmental data, a silent observer that has borne witness to the rise and fall of civilizations, the slow creep of glaciers, and the subtle shifts in the Earth's climate. Consider the bristlecone pines of the White Mountains, some of the oldest living organisms on the planet. These ancient sentinels have witnessed millennia unfold, their gnarled branches reaching towards the heavens, their roots clinging tenaciously to the rocky slopes. Each one is a library of untold stories, a silent chronicle of time itself. And so, as we explore the hidden lives of trees, let us remember that we are not merely looking at individual organisms, but at living libraries, each one holding a wealth of information within its cellular structure. These trees are not just passive observers. They are active participants in the intricate dance of life, their silent wisdom woven into the very fabric of the forest ecosystem. Let us listen carefully to their stories, for within them lies a profound understanding of the world and our place within it. Sound of birdsong gently increases, then fades slightly. Sound of a gentle breeze rustling through leaves begins softly, fades slightly into the background. The trees, silent witnesses to the unfolding drama of time, are ancient storytellers. Their lives are etched not in words, but in the intricate patterns of their growth, in the subtle variations of their rings, in the very shape of their branches. These arboreal chronicles speak volumes about the world around them, revealing secrets of the past and offering clues to the future. Imagine a tree, standing tall and proud, its rings whispering tales of bygone eras. A wider ring might signify a year of abundant rainfall and plentiful sunshine, a period of vigorous growth and prosperity. A narrower ring, on the other hand, could speak of drought, of hardship endured, of a year when survival itself was a challenge. These subtle variations in growth, meticulously recorded in the tree's woody tissue, provide a detailed record of past climates, offering invaluable insights into long-term environmental trends. But the stories etched within a tree extend beyond mere climate fluctuations. They can also tell us about historical events, about the impact of human activity on the environment. A sudden interruption in the rhythmic pattern of the rings, for example, might indicate a forest fire, a volcanic eruption, or even a period of intense human settlement. The tree, steadfast in its silent observation, records these events in its very being, offering a tangible link to the past. The shape of a tree's branches, too, can speak volumes. A tree that has weathered many storms, its branches twisted and gnarled by the wind, bears witness to the relentless power of nature. A tree that has grown in a sheltered environment, its branches reaching upwards in a graceful arc, tells a different story, a story of calm and undisturbed growth. These ancient storytellers hold within them a wealth of knowledge, a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of life. By studying their growth patterns, their structures, and their resilience, we can gain a profound appreciation for the enduring power of nature and the intricate tapestry of life that unfolds around us. Their silent wisdom speaks to us across the ages, reminding us of the importance of preserving these living libraries for generations to come. Sound of leaves rustling gently increases, then fades slightly. Soft, ambient forest sounds begin, birdsong subtly woven in. Beyond the silent language of rings and branches lies a hidden world of chemical communication, a vibrant dialogue unfolding within the forest canopy. Trees, it turns out, aren't just passive recipients of their environment. They actively engage with it, exchanging information through a complex language of scents and signals. This intricate communication relies on volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, a fascinating cocktail of airborne chemicals released by trees into the atmosphere. Imagine a single tree under attack, its leaves ravaged by hungry insects. In response, it doesn't simply suffer in silence. Instead, it unleashes a chemical alarm, releasing specific VOCs into the air, a silent cry for help. These airborne messengers carry information about the threat, its nature, and its location. Nearby trees, sensing these chemical signals, intercept the message and prepare their own defenses. They might increase the production of defensive chemicals, making their leaves less palatable to the invading insects. This remarkable act of inter-tree communication, a silent network of chemical signals, is a testament to the intricate interconnectedness of the forest ecosystem. But the language of chemistry extends beyond defensive measures. Trees also use VOCs to attract beneficial insects, allies in their ongoing battle against pests. Certain VOCs act as beacons, attracting predatory insects that prey on the herbivores threatening the trees. This intricate interplay, a silent dance of chemical cues and responses, demonstrates the sophisticated strategies employed by trees to maintain their health and well-being within the complex web of life. The release of VOCs is not a random event. It's a precisely orchestrated response, modulated by the intensity of the threat and the specific needs of the tree. The chemical composition of these VOCs varies depending on the type of stress experienced, creating a nuanced and complex language that conveys a wealth of information. It's a hidden dialogue, a symphony of scents and signals that unfolds unseen, yet profoundly influences the life and health of the forest. Listening closely, we begin to understand that the forest is not simply a collection of individual trees, but a dynamic, interconnected community, constantly communicating and cooperating to ensure the survival of all. Birdsong fades slightly, leaving a gentle, peaceful soundscape, gentle rustling of leaves and soft bird calls. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world of arboreal communication, exploring specific examples of how trees use chemical signals to interact with their environment and each other. Imagine a lone willow, its leaves suddenly under siege by ravenous caterpillars. This isn't just a localized problem, it's a message broadcast across the forest. As the caterpillars feast, the willow releases a complex blend of volatile organic compounds, a distress call, a chemical SOS. These VOCs, carried on the wind, aren't just random molecules. They're carefully crafted signals, carrying specific information about the nature of the threat. Nearby willows, sensing these airborne messages, intercept the warning. They don't wait for the caterpillars to arrive. They begin preparing their defenses. They might increase the production of tannins, making their leaves less appealing to the hungry insects, or they might bolster their defenses against the caterpillar's saliva. This rapid response, a silent chemical conversation, demonstrates the sophisticated coordination within the forest community. But the communication isn't limited to pest infestations. Trees also exchange information about environmental stresses, sharing crucial data that enhances the survival of the entire community. Consider a period of prolonged drought. Trees facing water scarcity release specific VOCs, signaling their struggle to their neighbors. This silent warning allows other trees to adjust their water usage, conserving precious resources and increasing their chances of survival. The forest, in this way, becomes a cooperative network, sharing information and resources to overcome environmental challenges. The exchange isn't always a simple alarm. It's a nuanced dialogue. The concentration and type of VOCs released vary depending on the severity and nature of the stress, creating a rich and complex language. This is not just about individual survival. It's about the collective well-being of the entire forest. Trees are not solitary beings. They are part of a vast, interconnected community, constantly communicating, sharing, and cooperating to ensure the survival of the entire ecosystem. It's a silent dialogue, a hidden conversation that shapes the forest's resilience and its capacity to adapt to a changing world. The soundscape subtly shifts, perhaps a gentle breeze through the trees. The more we listen, the more we realize that the forest is not silent, but teeming with a complex language, a conversation carried not on words, but on the subtle whispers of volatile organic compounds. Soft, ambient forest sounds, perhaps the gentle drip of water. Beneath the surface, hidden from our view, lies another layer of communication, a vast and intricate network that connects the forest in ways we are only beginning to understand. This is the world of the wood wide web, a subterranean realm woven from the delicate threads of mycorrhizal fungi. These remarkable fungi form symbiotic relationships with the roots of most trees, extending their reach far beyond the confines of a single root system. Imagine a vast, underground internet, a living tapestry of fungal filaments connecting tree after tree, creating a complex communication network that spans the entire forest. This intricate web isn't just a physical connection. It's a conduit for information and resources. Through this network, trees can share vital nutrients, transferring carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus between individuals, ensuring the health and survival of the entire community. A mature tree, well established and thriving, might send excess resources to a younger sapling, nurturing its growth and strengthening the forest as a whole. This act of generosity, this silent exchange of life-giving substances, is a testament to the interconnectedness of the forest ecosystem. But the wood wide web is more than just a delivery system for nutrients. It's also a sophisticated communication network, allowing trees to share information about environmental changes and threats. A tree under attack from pests or disease might send warning signals through the fungal network, alerting its neighbors to the impending danger. This allows the other trees to prepare their defenses, bolstering their resilience and increasing their chances of survival. The implications of this interconnectedness are profound. The forest is not merely a collection of individual trees. It's a single, living organism, a superorganism where the fate of each individual is intertwined with the fate of the whole. This understanding shifts our perspective, revealing a level of complexity and cooperation that challenges our traditional notions of competition and individuality in nature. The Wood Wide Web is a testament to the ingenuity and interconnectedness of life, a hidden world that shapes the health and resilience of forests across the globe. A gentle whoosh of wind through the trees, the whispers of the forest, once thought to be carried only on the wind, now reveal a deeper, more profound communication, a silent dialogue unfolding beneath our feet. Gentle rustling of leaves and birdsong. Imagine a vast, unseen network humming with activity beneath the forest floor. This isn't some fantastical invention, but the reality of the mycorrhizal network, a living tapestry of fungal threads connecting the roots of countless trees. Through this intricate web, a silent exchange of life's essentials unfolds, a testament to the remarkable cooperation within the forest community. This fungal highway isn't just a passive conduit. It's a dynamic system expertly managing the flow of vital resources. Water, a precious commodity, especially during dry spells, is efficiently channeled from areas of abundance to those in need. A tree with deep roots, reaching into moisture-rich layers of soil, can share its bounty with a neighbor struggling to survive a drought. This intricate water-sharing system ensures the survival of the entire community, preventing widespread devastation during periods of scarcity. Beyond water, the exchange of nutrients is equally remarkable. Carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus, the building blocks of life, are carefully transferred through the fungal network, bolstering the growth and resilience of the forest. A mature tree, rich in these essential elements, can support the growth of younger saplings, strengthening the overall health and vigor of the forest. This sharing fosters a sense of community, ensuring the survival of the next generation. But the Wood Wide Web isn't just about sharing resources. It's also a sophisticated warning system. When a tree detects a threat, be it an insect infestation or a disease outbreak, it can send out distress signals through the fungal network, alerting its neighbors to the impending danger. This allows the other trees to prepare their defenses, producing defensive chemicals or bolstering their immune systems, mitigating the impact of the threat and ensuring the survival of the entire forest. This incredible communication system underscores the interconnectedness of the forest, revealing it not as a collection of individual trees, but as a single living organism, a superorganism where the fate of each tree is inextricably linked to the fate of the whole. The resilience of the forest, its ability to withstand stress and adapt to change, is a direct consequence of this remarkable cooperation, a testament to the power of interconnectedness and the silent language of the earth. Soft, sustained wind chimes, sound of gentle wind chimes and distant birdsong. Within the intricate tapestry of the forest, certain trees stand out, not merely for their size or age, but for their crucial role in the overall health and well-being of the entire ecosystem. These are the mother trees, ancient sentinels that have witnessed centuries of change, their roots deeply entwined with the mycorrhizal network, acting as central hubs of information and resource distribution. Imagine these majestic beings as the heart of the forest, their vast root systems connected to countless younger trees through the intricate fungal threads. They are not just passive participants. They are active contributors, nurturing and guiding the growth of the younger generation. Their role is multifaceted, a symphony of support and guidance, ensuring the forest's continued prosperity. Through the intricate fungal network, mother trees share their abundance, directing vital resources to those in need. A young sapling struggling to establish itself receives a lifeline, a surge of nutrients and water, channeled through the mycorrhizal highways, directly from the generous embrace of its elder. This crucial support allows the young tree to thrive, contributing to the overall strength and resilience of the forest. But the mother tree's influence extends far beyond the provision of resources. They are also the keepers of wisdom, the repositories of centuries of accumulated knowledge. They have experienced countless environmental shifts, weathered storms and droughts, and witnessed the subtle changes in the forest's rhythm. This accumulated wisdom is not simply stored within their rings. It's actively shared through the fungal network. When a threat emerges, a disease or a pest invasion, the mother tree is among the first to detect it. Through the intricate communication network, it swiftly alerts its offspring, sharing vital information that allows them to prepare their defenses, producing protective chemicals or bolstering their immune systems. This early warning system dramatically enhances the survival chances of the entire forest community. The role of the mother tree highlights the profound interconnectedness of the forest ecosystem, revealing the intricate relationships that bind each individual tree to the whole. Their wisdom, their generosity, and their capacity for communication are key to the forest's resilience, its ability to withstand stress and adapt to change. These ancient beings are not merely passive members of the ecosystem. They are active participants, guiding and nurturing the next generation, ensuring the survival and prosperity of the entire forest. They are the heart of the wood, the silent guardians of the forest's legacy. Sound of gentle rustling leaves and a single, clear bird call. Sound of gentle wind rustling through leaves. Look closely at the cross-section of a tree trunk. Notice those concentric circles, those rings etched into the very heartwood, each a whisper of a year gone by. These aren't just decorative patterns. They are a detailed chronicle of the tree's life, a record of growth, hardship, and resilience, meticulously inscribed year after year. This is the language of dendrochronology, the science of reading the rings. Each ring represents a single year of the tree's life. A wide ring tells a tale of abundant rainfall, warm summers, and plentiful sunshine, a year of vigorous growth. The tree, bathed in sunlight and nourished by ample water, expanded rapidly, adding a broad band of new wood to its girth. It's a testament to the tree's vitality, a visual representation of nature's abundance. Conversely, a narrow ring speaks of hardship, a year of drought, disease, or perhaps a harsh winter. Limited sunlight, scarce water, or environmental stress stunted the tree's growth, resulting in a thin, compressed layer of wood. These narrow rings aren't marks of failure. They are testaments to resilience, proof of the tree's ability to endure and survive even the most challenging of times. But the story doesn't end with simply wide and narrow rings. The subtle variations in color, density, and texture within each ring provide even more detail, revealing further nuances of the tree's history. Scientists can analyze these variations to gain insights into past climates, revealing patterns of drought, floods, and even volcanic eruptions. By comparing the ring patterns of multiple trees in a region, scientists can create a continuous record stretching back thousands of years. This remarkable archive provides invaluable information about past climates, allowing us to understand long-term climate trends and to better predict future changes. It's a glimpse into the past, a window into the Earth's history, all hidden within the silent rings of a tree. The science of dendrochronology is not just about understanding the past. It's also crucial for predicting the future. By analyzing historical climate data encoded in tree rings, scientists can refine climate models and improve our understanding of climate change. This knowledge is critical for developing strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change and protect our forests for generations to come. The rings whisper secrets of the past, but they also hold the key to understanding and shaping the future. Sound of a gentle breeze and the distant murmur of a stream. Sound of a gentle stream flowing. Imagine a tree standing tall, a silent sentinel witnessing centuries unfold. Within its rings, a story far richer than mere growth is etched. Each band, a testament to a year's passage, holds secrets whispered by the wind, secrets of drought and deluge, of fire and volcanic fury. Look closer. A strikingly narrow ring might tell of a year of crippling drought. The tree, starved of water, struggled to grow, its life force constricted, reflected in the thin, compressed wood. This isn't just a simple mark. It's a precise record of a year's struggle, a year etched in hardship. The subtle variations in color and density within that ring might even hint at the specific months of the drought, the intensity, and its impact on the broader ecosystem. Conversely, an unusually wide ring could mark a year of abundance, a year of bountiful rains and warm sunshine. The tree thrived, expanding rapidly, its life force surging, leaving behind a broad, vibrant band of wood. This isn't just growth. It's a chronicle of a year of prosperity, a year painted in shades of vitality and success. But the stories extend beyond mere rainfall. A sudden, dramatic thinning of rings might indicate a devastating wildfire that scorched the forest. The tree, scarred but not destroyed, persevered, its growth stunted, but its spirit unbroken. The ring becomes a poignant reminder of nature's destructive power and the resilience of life itself. Imagine the impact of a distant volcano, its ash settling across the land. The tree, affected by the reduced sunlight and altered soil conditions, might show a series of thinner rings, a testament to the volcano's far-reaching influence. This subtle mark, barely visible to the untrained eye, is a powerful record of a cataclysmic event, a story inscribed across continents. These aren't merely rings. They are chapters in a vast, interconnected narrative. They chronicle not only the life of a single tree but the story of a whole ecosystem. They tell of floods that reshaped the landscape, of droughts that tested resilience, of wildfires that swept across the land, and of volcanic eruptions that darkened the skies. Together, these rings paint a vivid picture of environmental changes across generations, a story written in wood, a legacy whispered from the past. They are a silent testimony to the resilience of nature and a profound reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. And within this incredible archive, scientists find not just history, but the potential to understand and even predict the future. The sound of wind chimes gently tinkling, sound of gentle rustling leaves. Imagine a thirsty tree, its roots searching deep, desperately seeking moisture in parched earth. The sun beats down relentlessly. The air hangs heavy and still. This is the harsh reality of a drought, a period of prolonged water scarcity that leaves an indelible mark on the life of a tree, a mark etched not in scars, but in the very fabric of its being, its growth rings. Unlike the lush, expansive rings formed during years of plentiful rain, drought years leave behind a subtle but significant trace, a narrow band of wood. This isn't simply a smaller ring. It's a poignant testament to the tree's struggle for survival. The reduced availability of water restricts the tree's ability to produce new cells, slowing down its growth significantly. The resulting ring is thinner, more compressed, reflecting the tree's reduced vitality. Picture this: a microscopic view of the wood, revealing the tightly packed cells, each a tiny story of hardship. These cells, smaller and denser than those formed during bountiful years, tell a tale of survival under duress. The tree, despite the challenging conditions, continues its slow, deliberate growth, stubbornly clinging to life, its story etched in the narrow confines of the annual ring. The degree of narrowing is directly correlated to the severity and duration of the drought. A severely dry year might result in a ring so thin it's barely visible to the naked eye. Yet, even the slightest reduction in ring width, when compared to the preceding years, can reveal the subtle impact of a mild drought. This precision is what makes dendrochronology, the study of tree rings, such a powerful tool for understanding past climates. Think of these narrow rings as a silent scream, a whispered plea from the tree, a subtle record of hardship endured. Each thin ring is a testament to the tree's resilience, its ability to adapt and survive even under the most adverse conditions. It's a silent story of struggle, a narrative etched in the wood, waiting to be deciphered by the keen eye of a scientist. These delicate marks, often overlooked, hold the key to understanding the past and predicting the future, revealing patterns of drought and guiding our understanding of climate change's impact on our planet. Sound of a gentle breeze, sound of crackling fire, fading into gentle wind chimes. Imagine the searing heat, the crackling flames, the chaotic dance of destruction. A wildfire, a force of nature both terrifying and transformative, leaves its mark not only on the landscape, but also within the very heartwood of the trees that survive its fiery embrace. These scars, etched into the wood's grain, tell a silent story of survival, resilience, and renewal. Within the growth rings of a fire-scarred tree lies a unique record of this cataclysmic event. The ring formed in the year of the fire often shows a dramatic change, a sudden interruption in the tree's normal growth pattern. This interruption might manifest as a deep charring or a distinct discoloration, a visible scar marking the moment the flames swept through. The wood itself may be partially burned, leaving a visible line of damage within the ring. But the story doesn't end with destruction. The remarkable resilience of trees is evident in the rings that follow the fire scar. Often, a period of slower growth is observed, reflecting the tree's struggle to recover from the trauma. The rings might be narrower, indicating a period of reduced cell production as the tree focuses its energy on healing and regrowth. Yet, life persists. The tree, although wounded, doesn't succumb. It sends forth new shoots, its branches reaching once more towards the sun. Over time, new rings are formed, gradually covering the scar, but never completely erasing it. The mark of the fire remains, a subtle reminder of the intense event, a testament to the tree's enduring strength. The subsequent rings, though perhaps thinner initially, eventually demonstrate a return to normal growth, showcasing the tree's remarkable capacity for recovery and adaptation. Examining these rings, we can learn not only about the intensity and extent of past wildfires, but also about the forest's response. The width and pattern of the rings following the fire offer invaluable insights into the speed and success of regeneration. This intricate record, hidden within the wood, allows us to understand the history of fire in a particular area, its frequency, and its impact on the ecosystem. It is a silent narrative of destruction and rebirth, a story whispered from the heartwood, revealing the forest's dynamic relationship with fire, its capacity to endure, and its remarkable ability to renew itself. Sound of birdsong, gentle rustling leaves. Sound of gentle rain and distant thunder, fading into soft wind. The wind howls, the rain lashes down, and the earth trembles. A storm, a powerful testament to nature's untamed force, leaves an indelible mark on the forest, a silent narrative etched within the very fabric of the trees. These arboreal giants, steadfast in the face of adversity, bear witness to the tempest's fury, their growth rings preserving a poignant record of the storm's passage. Unlike the stark, immediate mark of fire, the impact of a storm is often more subtle, yet equally revealing. A severe storm might cause physical damage, leaving visible wounds on the tree's trunk or branches. These injuries, though sometimes healed over time, leave their imprint on the subsequent growth rings. A sudden, sharp change in ring width might indicate a year of significant stress, perhaps where growth slowed or ceased entirely following the storm's devastation. The rings might display a decrease in width, reflecting the tree's struggle to recover from the damage sustained. Resources previously allocated to growth are diverted to repair broken branches, heal wounds, and restore balance. The resulting rings are thinner, less dense, a testament to the energy expended in survival. Sometimes, a ring might even contain a visible scar, a marker of a branch lost to the wind's relentless assault. Yet, the story isn't solely one of damage and hardship. The following rings, even if thinner initially, often tell a story of resilience and recovery. As the tree heals, its growth gradually returns to normal, the rings slowly widening once more. The tree's ability to adapt and overcome adversity is evident in the slow but steady increase in ring width, a testament to its inherent strength and tenacious spirit. By carefully examining these subtle variations in the tree's growth patterns, we can piece together a narrative of past storms, their intensity, and their impact on the forest. The rings become a chronicle of the storms that have shaped the landscape, a silent testimony to nature's power and the remarkable resilience of the trees that endure. They reveal not just the force of the wind and rain, but also the tenacity of life, the unwavering commitment of the tree to survive, to thrive, and to continue its silent story. Sound of birds chirping, gentle breeze rustling leaves. Sound of gentle rustling leaves and birdsong. The resilience of trees is a testament to nature's ingenuity. They are not passive recipients of environmental challenges. Rather, they are active participants in a constant dance of adaptation, evolving strategies to thrive even in the harshest conditions. Their survival isn't merely a matter of luck, but a symphony of finely tuned mechanisms honed over millennia. Consider the mighty redwood, enduring centuries of drought. Its secret lies within its deep, extensive root systems, reaching far and wide to tap into hidden reservoirs of moisture. These roots, a network of subterranean pathways, act as a lifeline, ensuring the tree's survival even during the driest seasons. They are not merely anchors. They are sophisticated water-gathering systems, efficiently absorbing every drop of available moisture. Their leaves, too, play a crucial role, often adapted to minimize water loss through transpiration, a delicate balance between survival and growth. In contrast, the fire-resistant characteristics of certain trees are equally remarkable. Some species have evolved thick bark, acting as a protective shield against intense flames. This bark, often deeply furrowed and heavily insulated, effectively protects the vital inner layers of the tree, allowing it to survive even the most destructive wildfires. Others have developed serotinous cones, storing seeds within protective coverings that only open after exposure to intense heat. This ensures that seeds are released only after a fire, giving them the best chance to germinate and establish themselves in the nutrient-rich, cleared environment. These adaptations are not isolated instances. They are part of a broader tapestry of survival strategies woven into the very fabric of the tree's existence. Some trees develop intricate leaf structures to maximize sunlight capture in shaded areas. Others modify their root systems to cope with nutrient-poor soils, extending their reach to find the necessary resources. The ability to adapt is not limited to physical traits. It also includes physiological responses to changing conditions, such as altering their growth patterns to conserve energy during periods of stress. These remarkable adaptations, often subtle yet profoundly effective, highlight the incredible resilience of trees. They are not simply static beings. They are dynamic organisms, constantly adapting, evolving, and responding to the ever-changing conditions of their environment. Their survival, a testament to their remarkable adaptability, is a source of inspiration and wonder. Their continued existence is a vital part of the ecological balance, a vital reminder of nature's enduring power. Sound of a gentle breeze through the leaves, sound of a gentle desert wind whispering through sparse trees. Imagine a landscape parched by relentless sun, where water is a precious commodity, a lifeline in a seemingly desolate world. Yet, even in these arid expanses, life persists, a testament to the remarkable ingenuity of nature. Trees, the silent sentinels of these dry lands, have evolved extraordinary strategies to survive prolonged periods of drought. Their survival a captivating story of adaptation and resilience. Their most striking adaptation is often their root systems, a vast, intricate network extending far beneath the surface. These roots, reaching deep into the earth, tap into groundwater sources inaccessible to shallower-rooted plants. They are not simply anchors, but sophisticated water-gathering systems, capable of extracting moisture from even the driest soil. Some trees develop extraordinarily long taproots, penetrating deep into the earth in search of subterranean aquifers, a feat of engineering that belies their seemingly static nature. Beyond deep roots, many drought-resistant trees employ ingenious water storage mechanisms. Their trunks and branches can act as reservoirs, storing precious moisture for lean times. Specialized tissues within the wood provide a sponge-like capacity, holding onto water molecules and releasing them slowly as needed, a carefully orchestrated strategy to ensure survival during extended periods of dryness. This built-in water reserve allows the trees to withstand months, even years, without significant rainfall. Another crucial adaptation is the shedding of leaves. Leaves, while essential for photosynthesis, are also significant sites of water loss through transpiration. During drought, many trees shed their leaves, temporarily reducing their water needs. This seemingly drastic measure is a crucial survival strategy, allowing the tree to conserve precious resources and enter a state of dormancy until conditions improve. The shedding of leaves isn't merely a passive response. It's a calculated move, a carefully timed act of self-preservation. The leaves themselves often exhibit adaptations to minimize water loss. Some have thick, waxy coatings that reduce transpiration, while others have small, needle-like leaves that minimize surface area and thus water loss. These subtle yet profound modifications illustrate the intricate interplay between form and function, a constant negotiation between survival and growth. The resilience displayed by these trees is a profound reminder of nature's capacity for innovation, a silent testament to life's persistence in even the most challenging environments. Sound of wind chimes gently tinkling, sound of crackling fire, then fading to gentle forest sounds. Imagine a landscape sculpted by fire, where flames dance through the trees, leaving behind a charred yet strangely vibrant scene. In these fire-prone environments, a different kind of resilience unfolds, a story of adaptation and symbiotic survival. Some tree species, far from being victims of fire, have evolved intricate strategies to not only survive but thrive in its embrace. They've learned to dance with the flames, incorporating fire into their life cycle as a tool for regeneration and renewal. These fire-adapted trees often possess remarkable fire-resistant properties. Thick bark, acting as a natural shield, protects the inner cambium layer, the vital tissue responsible for growth. Some bark is so deeply furrowed and insulating that it can withstand intense heat, protecting the tree's lifeblood from the flames. This natural armor allows the tree to survive even the most intense wildfires, emerging from the ashes with remarkable fortitude. But their relationship with fire extends beyond mere survival. For many species, fire is a crucial element in their reproductive strategy. Some trees have serotinous cones, sealed cones that only open when exposed to intense heat. The fire's heat triggers the release of seeds, scattering them across the newly cleared landscape, ready to germinate in the nutrient-rich ash. This is a masterful strategy, ensuring the next generation thrives in the sunlight created by the fire's cleansing passage. Similarly, some trees rely on fire to clear away competing vegetation, giving their seedlings a competitive advantage. The intense heat eliminates undergrowth, creating a favorable environment for the young saplings to establish themselves, ensuring their survival in the renewed ecosystem. The fire, far from being a destructive force, becomes a catalyst for growth, a necessary element in the forest's intricate regeneration cycle. The serotinous cones, the thick bark, the fire-adapted seeds, these are not merely chance occurrences. They are the result of millennia of natural selection, a testament to the power of adaptation. These trees, forged in the crucible of fire, represent a remarkable example of nature's resilience, a living embodiment of the cyclical dance between destruction and renewal. Their story speaks to the intricate relationships within ecosystems and the remarkable adaptability of life itself. The fire's embrace, while seemingly destructive, is in reality a crucial part of the forest's life cycle, a testament to the profound interconnectedness of nature. Sound of birdsong in a newly regenerated forest, sound of gentle rustling leaves and birdsong. Let us now broaden our perspective, stepping back from the individual tree to embrace the awe-inspiring complexity of the forest ecosystem. For the forest is not merely a collection of trees. It's a vibrant, interconnected web of life, a symphony of organisms playing their unique roles in a grand, harmonious composition. The trees, the silent giants, are but one instrument in this orchestra, their lives intricately woven with those of countless other beings. Consider the intricate dance between trees and fungi. The vast, unseen network of mycorrhizal fungi, extending through the soil, connects the roots of trees, creating a subterranean communication highway. Through this intricate network, trees share resources, exchanging nutrients and water, supporting each other in times of stress. This symbiotic relationship is not just about survival. It's about mutual flourishing, a testament to the power of collaboration in nature. But the interconnectedness extends far beyond the fungal network. Insects, birds, mammals, all play their vital roles in the forest's intricate web. Insects pollinate the flowers, ensuring the continuation of the tree's lineage. Birds disperse seeds, carrying them far and wide, planting the seeds of future forests. Mammals, from tiny shrews to majestic deer, contribute to seed dispersal and nutrient cycling, influencing the forest's composition and biodiversity. The forest floor, a seemingly simple carpet of leaves and soil, is in fact a bustling hub of activity. Decomposers, from bacteria to fungi, break down dead organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the soil, nourishing the trees and the myriad organisms that depend upon them. This constant cycle of life, death, and renewal sustains the entire ecosystem, a testament to nature's exquisite efficiency. Even the seemingly lifeless aspects of the forest play crucial roles. The rocks, the soil, the water all contribute to the unique character of the forest, shaping its biodiversity and influencing the species that can thrive within its embrace. The forest is a mosaic of habitats, each with its own unique set of organisms, all interconnected, all interdependent. It is this intricate web of relationships, this profound interconnectedness, that defines the forest ecosystem. It's a reminder that the health of the forest depends not just on the trees themselves, but on the well-being of all the organisms that share its space. The forest is a magnificent tapestry woven from countless threads, each thread essential to the beauty and resilience of the whole. Understanding this interconnectedness is crucial to appreciating the profound importance of forest conservation and the vital role forests play in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet. Sound of a gentle breeze whispering through the leaves, sound of gentle wind chimes and birdsong. Imagine, if you will, a vast, intricate tapestry woven from threads of life, each thread representing a different organism, each connection a vital interaction. This is the forest ecosystem, a world of astonishing complexity and interdependence. At the heart of this tapestry, of course, are the trees, but their story is far from solitary. Let's begin beneath the surface, in the hidden world of the soil. Here, a vast network of fungal filaments, the mycelium, connects the roots of trees, forming a subterranean communication highway. This is not simply a physical connection. It's a conduit for the exchange of nutrients and information. Trees, through this fungal network, share resources, strengthening the entire forest community. A struggling sapling might receive vital nutrients from a mature tree, a silent act of generosity sustaining the forest's future. Above ground, a vibrant community thrives. Insects, in their myriad forms, play crucial roles. Pollinators, like bees and butterflies, flit between blossoms, ensuring the continuation of the tree's genetic legacy. Other insects, such as beetles and caterpillars, feed on leaves, contributing to the cycling of nutrients within the ecosystem. Even seemingly destructive insects play a part, shaping the forest's composition and influencing the survival of different tree species. Birdsong fills the air, a chorus celebrating the abundance of life. These feathered creatures are vital seed dispersers, carrying seeds far and wide, planting the seeds of future forests in distant locations. Their nests, woven into branches, provide homes for their young, while their foraging habits influence the distribution of plants and insects throughout the forest. Mammals, large and small, add another layer of complexity. Deer browse on leaves and shoots, shaping the forest's understory. Squirrels bury acorns, inadvertently planting new oak trees. Bears, with their powerful claws, help spread seeds and create openings in the forest canopy, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor. Even seemingly insignificant creatures, such as earthworms and bacteria, play essential roles in decomposing organic matter, enriching the soil and providing nutrients for the trees and other organisms. The relationships are complex, a web of give and take, support and competition. Predators and prey, parasites and hosts, all contribute to the dynamic balance of the forest. It's a delicate dance, a constant interplay of forces, where every organism, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the health and resilience of the entire ecosystem. The forest, therefore, is not merely a collection of trees. It's a vibrant community, a living testament to the power of interconnectedness. Sound of a gentle stream flowing. Soft, ambient forest sounds begin. The forest floor, often unseen, unheard, is a world teeming with life, a realm of intricate partnerships and symbiotic relationships. One of the most remarkable examples is the mutualistic bond between trees and mycorrhizal fungi. These fascinating fungi form a vast underground network, connecting the roots of trees in a breathtaking display of cooperation. Imagine slender threads, finer than human hair, weaving a subterranean web that spans across acres, even miles. These are the hyphae, the building blocks of the mycelium, the fungal network. These hyphae extend far beyond the reach of individual tree roots, significantly expanding the tree's access to water and nutrients. In return for this vital service, the trees provide the fungi with sugars produced through photosynthesis, a delicious reward for their tireless work. This mutually beneficial relationship is not merely a simple exchange. It's a complex dance of give and take, a collaboration that sustains the entire forest ecosystem. The fungi act as intermediaries, transferring nutrients from the soil to the trees and vice versa. They break down organic matter, releasing essential nutrients that trees can readily absorb. They also enhance the soil structure, improving water retention and aeration. Beyond the exchange of nutrients, this fungal network also serves as a communication highway. Trees can share information through this subterranean network, alerting each other to threats such as insect infestations or drought conditions. They can even send signals to neighboring trees, warning them of impending danger, allowing them to mount a defense. This intricate communication system ensures the survival and resilience of the entire forest community. But the symbiotic relationships in the forest extend far beyond the trees and mycorrhizal fungi. Consider the relationship between ants and acacia trees. Acacias provide ants with shelter in their hollow thorns and a sugary substance called nectar. In return, the ants fiercely defend the acacia tree from herbivores, protecting it from damage. This remarkable partnership is a testament to the power of cooperation in nature. Similarly, many orchids rely on specific fungi for germination and early growth. The orchid seeds are tiny and lack sufficient energy reserves to germinate on their own. The fungi provide the necessary nutrients, allowing the orchid seedlings to establish themselves. Once established, the orchid can photosynthesize and eventually become independent, but the initial support from the fungus is crucial for its survival. These examples, and countless others, highlight the remarkable interconnectedness of life in the forest. The forest is not simply a collection of individual organisms. It's a complex web of interactions, where every organism plays a vital role in maintaining the health and resilience of the entire system. It is a testament to the beauty and power of symbiotic relationships. Sound of rustling leaves and gentle breeze. Soft, ambient forest sounds continue, perhaps with the addition of birdsong. Our understanding of the hidden lives of trees, their intricate communication networks, and their remarkable adaptations is largely thanks to the tireless work of dedicated scientists and researchers. Their curiosity and dedication have unveiled secrets that were once hidden beneath the forest canopy and within the earth itself. Among these pioneers is Suzanne Samar, a forest ecologist whose groundbreaking research has illuminated the complex communication systems within forests. Her work, using isotopic tracers and other innovative techniques, has demonstrated the existence of a vast underground network connecting trees through mycorrhizal fungi. She's shown how mother trees nurture younger saplings, sharing resources and knowledge through this intricate web, ensuring the health and survival of the entire forest. Her findings have fundamentally shifted our understanding of forest ecosystems, revealing them as interconnected superorganisms rather than simply collections of individual trees. Another key figure in this field is Peter Wollben, a German forester who has captivated audiences worldwide with his poetic and insightful writings about the hidden lives of trees. Wollben, through meticulous observation and a deep connection with the natural world, has brought the wonders of the forest to a broader audience, inspiring a new wave of appreciation and understanding. He beautifully illustrates the intelligence and social complexity of trees, revealing their capacity for communication, cooperation, and even altruism. The work of these researchers and many others has been instrumental in expanding our knowledge of tree communication and adaptation. Scientists like David Shamovitz, whose work focuses on plant intelligence, have explored the sensory capabilities of trees and their ability to respond to their environment. Their research has shown how trees can perceive light, gravity, temperature, and even the presence of nearby organisms, influencing their growth and development. These discoveries have profound implications for our understanding of ecological balance and forest management. By understanding how trees communicate and adapt, we can develop more sustainable forestry practices, protecting these vital ecosystems for future generations. It is a reminder of the crucial role science plays in unveiling the intricate wonders of nature, allowing us to appreciate the complex and interconnected systems that support life on Earth. Their combined efforts have expanded our understanding of how trees respond to environmental changes, from drought to insect infestations. We've learned about the role of volatile organic compounds in tree communication, acting as airborne signals that alert neighboring trees to potential threats. This intricate system of chemical signals allows trees to coordinate their defenses and increase their chances of survival. The ongoing research into the hidden lives of trees is a testament to human curiosity and our desire to understand the natural world. It is a journey of discovery that continues to unfold, revealing new layers of complexity and wonder within these magnificent organisms. The discoveries continue to challenge our assumptions about the natural world and highlight the interconnectedness of all living things. This research not only deepens our scientific knowledge, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the beauty and resilience of the forest. Gentle, flowing ambient forest sounds continue. How do we unravel the secrets whispered amongst the trees? How do we listen to the silent language of the forest? The study of tree communication is a fascinating blend of meticulous observation and cutting-edge technology. Scientists employ a variety of methods to decipher the intricate messages exchanged between these ancient beings. One crucial technique involves chemical analysis. Researchers carefully collect samples of leaves, bark, and soil, analyzing the volatile organic compounds, VOCs, they contain. These VOCs, released into the air, act as airborne signals, carrying information about stress, disease, or the presence of herbivores. By identifying and quantifying these chemical messengers, scientists can begin to understand the content and context of tree communication. Imagine, if you will, the air itself carrying a silent symphony of chemical cues, a language understood only by the trees. Another powerful tool in the scientist's arsenal is isotopic tracing. By introducing stable isotopes of elements like carbon or nitrogen into the soil, researchers can track the movement of nutrients within the forest ecosystem. This allows them to map the flow of resources between trees, revealing the extent of their interconnectedness and the pathways of communication through the underground fungal networks. It's like tracing invisible rivers of life beneath the forest floor, revealing the intricate connections that bind the community together. Advanced imaging techniques provide further insights into the hidden world of tree communication. Sophisticated MRI and CT scanning methods allow scientists to visualize the intricate structures of roots and mycorrhizal networks, revealing the complexity of the underground fungal highways that connect trees. These images reveal a breathtaking network, a living tapestry of fungal threads weaving through the soil, connecting individual trees into a vast, interconnected community. Furthermore, sophisticated sensors and monitoring systems are used to continuously record environmental variables such as soil moisture, temperature, and light levels. This data is then correlated with observed changes in tree physiology and behavior, helping researchers understand how trees respond to their environment and communicate their responses to one another. This approach allows for a holistic understanding of the intricate interplay between the trees and their environment. The use of genetic analysis complements these methods, allowing scientists to identify the specific genes involved in the production of VOCs and other signaling molecules. This provides a deeper understanding of the molecular mechanisms underlying tree communication. The combination of these techniques paints a vibrant picture of the intricate communication systems operating within forest ecosystems. These diverse methods, when combined, create a comprehensive picture of the complex communication systems within the forest. The careful collection and analysis of data, combined with innovative technological advancements, are slowly but surely revealing the hidden language of the trees, enriching our understanding of these vital ecosystems and their remarkable inhabitants. It is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry to illuminate the wonders of the natural world. Soft, ambient forest sounds continue, perhaps with the gentle rustling of leaves. Imagine standing within a forest, a silent observer of nature's intricate dance. The trees, seemingly still and solitary, are engaged in a complex interplay, a silent conversation unfolding over decades, even centuries. To truly understand this intricate choreography, we need more than a fleeting glance. We need the patient gaze of long-term ecological studies. These studies, spanning years, even generations, are the key to unlocking the secrets held within the forest's heart. Unlike the rapid-fire results of many laboratory experiments, the study of forest ecosystems requires a profound commitment to sustained observation. Researchers patiently monitor changes in tree growth, health, and interactions, meticulously recording data year after year. These long-term datasets provide invaluable context, revealing subtle shifts and patterns that might otherwise be missed. They offer a rich tapestry of information, weaving together the threads of environmental change and ecological response. Consider, for example, the impact of a severe drought. A single year of observation might show reduced growth, but a decade of data reveals how different tree species respond, how some thrive while others struggle, and how the entire forest community adapts to this challenge. The long view reveals the resilience of the forest, its capacity to recover and reestablish a balance. It's a story of adaptation, of survival, written in the rings of the trees and in the intricate network of their relationships. Moreover, long-term studies allow us to witness the slow unfolding of ecological processes, such as the succession of tree species over time. This gradual shift in dominance, as some species decline and others rise, reflects the forest's constant evolution, its response to changing environmental conditions and internal dynamics. These shifts are often subtle, taking decades or even centuries to become fully apparent. They're like the slow, deliberate movements of a glacier, shaping the landscape over immense timescales. The benefits of these studies extend far beyond the academic realm. Long-term data allows us to predict future changes in forest ecosystems with greater accuracy. By understanding past responses to climate variability, disease outbreaks, and other disturbances, we can better anticipate the effects of future changes and develop effective strategies for forest management and conservation. This is crucial in a world facing the challenges of climate change and habitat loss. In essence, long-term ecological studies provide a historical context for understanding the intricate dynamics of forest ecosystems. They reveal the resilience of these systems, their capacity to adapt and respond to environmental change. This knowledge is not just academically enriching. It is essential for the wise stewardship of our forests, for ensuring the health and sustainability of these vital ecosystems for generations to come. The patient, watchful eye of long-term observation is indispensable in deciphering the secrets whispered within the ancient woods. Gentle, flowing sounds of a stream accompany the narration. The whispers of the woods, once dismissed as mere rustling leaves, now reveal a complex language of survival, a symphony of interconnectedness that resonates far beyond the forest floor. Understanding this hidden communication, this intricate dance of life beneath our feet, has profound implications for the future of our planet. It's a story that extends far beyond the individual tree, impacting the way we manage and conserve our forests on a global scale. Imagine a forest managed with the knowledge of this intricate communication network. Sustainable forestry practices could be revolutionized, moving away from the often destructive methods of clear-cutting towards more holistic approaches. By understanding how trees interact and support each other, we can develop strategies that minimize disruption to the forest's intricate web of life, ensuring its long-term health and productivity. Instead of treating trees as isolated entities, we can begin to recognize and nurture the forest as a single, interconnected organism. The implications extend to climate change mitigation. Forests play a vital role in carbon sequestration, acting as vast carbon sinks that absorb atmospheric CO2. By understanding how trees communicate and respond to environmental stressors, such as drought or disease, we can develop more effective strategies for enhancing their resilience and maximizing their carbon capturing potential. This understanding could be crucial in mitigating the effects of climate change and ensuring the long-term health of our planet. Furthermore, the knowledge of tree communication can significantly impact biodiversity conservation. By understanding the intricate relationships between trees and other organisms within the forest ecosystem, we can develop strategies that protect the delicate balance of life within these vital habitats. This includes protecting the fungal networks that connect trees, ensuring the health of the entire forest community. Protecting these vital connections is crucial for preserving biodiversity and safeguarding the ecological services that forests provide. The implications extend even further into the realm of global food security. Many of the world's most important crops rely on symbiotic relationships with mycorrhizal fungi, similar to those found in forests. Understanding these relationships can lead to the development of more sustainable and efficient agricultural practices, enhancing crop yields and reducing our reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. Ultimately, the unveiling of the hidden lives of trees is not merely a scientific curiosity. It's a crucial step towards a more sustainable and harmonious relationship with the natural world. By understanding the intricate communication networks and adaptive strategies of trees, we can develop more effective strategies for forest management, climate change mitigation, and biodiversity conservation. It's a journey of discovery that promises to reshape our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. The future of our forests, and indeed our planet, depends on listening to the silent whispers of the woods. Soft, ethereal music begins, layered with the gentle sounds of birdsong. Imagine standing within a cathedral of ancient trees, their branches reaching towards the sky like silent prayers, their roots entwined in a subterranean embrace that spans centuries. These old-growth forests, the remnants of a wilder time, are not merely collections of trees. They are living libraries, repositories of knowledge etched into the rings of their ancient trunks. They are the heart and soul of our planet's ecological heritage. Within these sacred groves, a profound interconnectedness unfolds, a silent dialogue between generations of trees. The wisdom of the elders, the mother trees, flows through the fungal networks, nourishing the saplings, guiding their growth, and sharing the lessons learned from countless seasons. These ancient forests are not merely collections of individual trees. They are complex, self-regulating ecosystems, thriving on their intricate communication and symbiotic relationships. Protecting these ancient forests is not simply an act of environmental preservation. It is a crucial step in safeguarding the future of our planet. These ecosystems are biodiversity hotspots, harboring a vast array of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The loss of old-growth forests represents an irreplaceable loss of biodiversity, a weakening of the intricate web of life that sustains us all. The resilience of these forests is intimately linked to their age and complexity. Older trees, with their extensive root systems and symbiotic fungal networks, are better equipped to withstand environmental stressors such as drought, disease, and climate change. Their presence acts as a buffer, mitigating the impact of these stressors on the entire ecosystem. Young forests, lacking this intricate web of interconnectedness, are significantly more vulnerable. The health and resilience of our planet are inextricably linked to the health and resilience of our forests. Protecting old-growth forests is not simply a matter of preserving trees. It is a matter of safeguarding the ecological processes that sustain life on Earth. It's a commitment to preserving the rich biodiversity that these ancient ecosystems support, ensuring the continuation of the intricate communication networks that underpin their remarkable resilience. It's about safeguarding the legacy of these ancient forests for future generations, ensuring that their silent wisdom continues to inspire and sustain us for centuries to come. The ancient trees stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their rings echoing with the stories of climate shifts, catastrophic events, and the persistent resilience of life. Their protection is a testament to our commitment to a future where the whispers of the woods continue to resonate, enriching our lives and reminding us of the profound interconnectedness of all living things. Let us ensure that their silent wisdom continues to guide us towards a more sustainable future. Let their legacy endure. Gentle, flowing music begins, interspersed with the rustling of leaves. The future of our forests stands at a crossroads. A tapestry woven from centuries of growth and resilience now faces unprecedented challenges. The whispers of the woods, once a symphony of life, are increasingly strained by the rising crescendo of human impact and the accelerating tempo of climate change. The delicate balance of these ecosystems, so intricately woven, is under pressure. Rising temperatures, altered precipitation patterns, and the increasing frequency of extreme weather events are disrupting the intricate communication networks that sustain forest health. Droughts stress the trees, hindering their ability to share resources and weakening their defenses against disease and pests. Changes in rainfall patterns disrupt the delicate balance of the forest floor, impacting the mycorrhizal networks that connect trees and support their growth. The impact of human activities further complicates the picture. Deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and unsustainable forestry practices are fragmenting these once vast ecosystems, isolating populations and hindering their ability to adapt. The loss of old-growth forests, repositories of biodiversity and resilience, leaves younger, more vulnerable forests exposed to the full force of these environmental changes. Yet, amidst these challenges, a glimmer of hope emerges. The very scientific understanding that has revealed the hidden lives of trees offers a path forward. By understanding the complex communication networks within forests, we can develop more sustainable forestry practices, tailored to the specific needs of each ecosystem. We can learn to work with the inherent resilience of these natural systems, rather than against them. Precision forestry, informed by this new understanding, allows us to protect the most vulnerable areas while selectively harvesting in a way that promotes regeneration and enhances biodiversity. Protecting and restoring old-growth forests becomes not just an environmental imperative, but a strategic investment in the future resilience of all forests. Furthermore, this knowledge empowers us to develop strategies for climate change mitigation. By protecting and restoring forests, we enhance their capacity to sequester carbon, helping to regulate the global climate and mitigate the effects of greenhouse gas emissions. The trees themselves, in their silent communication, offer a powerful pathway towards a sustainable future. The future of forests hinges on our ability to integrate this new scientific understanding into our actions. It demands a shift in perspective, moving from a focus on exploitation towards one of stewardship and cooperation. It requires a collective commitment to sustainable practices, informed by scientific knowledge and driven by a deep respect for the interconnectedness of life. The future of our forests, and indeed our own future, depends on it. The whispers of the woods call to us, urging us to listen, to learn, and to act. Soft, contemplative music begins, overlaid with gentle bird song. The ancient wisdom of the forests whispers secrets to those who listen closely. Standing tall against the relentless forces of nature, trees embody resilience, a testament to the power of adaptation and the strength found in cooperation. Their lives, interwoven through intricate networks of communication and mutual support, offer profound lessons for us, lessons that resonate far beyond the forest floor. Consider the resilience of a single tree, weathering storms, enduring droughts, and surviving the passage of centuries. Each growth ring, a silent chronicle of hardship and triumph, speaks of its enduring spirit. These are not isolated struggles. The tree is part of a larger community, a silent partnership with its fellow beings. The mycorrhizal networks beneath the soil, a hidden infrastructure of cooperation, connect trees across generations, sharing resources and warnings. A struggling tree receives support from its neighbors, a silent testament to the power of community. This interconnectedness, this deep interdependence, speaks volumes about the true meaning of strength. It's not about individual dominance, but about shared vulnerability and mutual support. The mother trees, the ancient giants of the forest, nurture younger saplings, ensuring the continuation of the forest's legacy. They offer shade, protection, and a wealth of knowledge accumulated over lifetimes. They teach the younger generations how to endure, how to adapt, and how to thrive. The forest, in its entirety, acts as a complex superorganism, demonstrating the power of collective action. It responds to challenges as a unified whole, adapting to environmental changes and maintaining its overall health. This is a lesson of profound importance in our interconnected world, where cooperation is essential to overcome challenges and build a sustainable future. The trees teach us the importance of patience and long-term vision. Their growth is measured in decades, even centuries. They are not swayed by short-term gains, but focused on the slow, steady process of adaptation and resilience. This perspective, so often lost in the rush of modern life, offers a crucial reminder of the importance of long-term thinking and sustainable practices. By observing the trees, we can learn to embrace change, to adapt to new circumstances, and to find strength in cooperation. We can learn to value the interconnectedness of life and to recognize our own role within the larger ecosystem. The lessons of the forest are not merely ecological. They are profound philosophical insights into the nature of life, resilience, and the enduring power of community. The whispers of the woods carry wisdom that can guide us towards a more sustainable and harmonious future. Soft, ambient forest sounds with a gentle, flowing melody. Let us pause, for a moment, and consider the profound wisdom held within the silent heartwood of a tree. Each towering trunk, each delicate leaf, each intricate root system speaks of a life lived in harmony with the rhythms of nature, a life stretching across generations, witnessing the slow, majestic dance of time. These are not merely passive organisms. They are active participants in a complex, interwoven ecosystem. Their lives are a tapestry of intricate relationships, a silent conversation woven through the soil, the air, and the light. They communicate, they cooperate, they adapt, demonstrating a wisdom that far surpasses our own fleeting understanding. The growth rings of an ancient tree are not merely markers of time. They are a chronicle of resilience, a testament to the ability to endure hardship and emerge stronger. Each ring tells a story of sun and shadow, of rain and drought, of growth and dormancy, a story etched in the very fabric of its being. These stories are not just about the individual tree. They are a reflection of the broader forest ecosystem, the interconnected web of life that sustains it. Consider the mother trees, those ancient giants that stand as sentinels over the forest. Their wisdom, accumulated over centuries, guides the younger generation, offering protection and sustenance, ensuring the continuity of the forest's legacy. They are living libraries of ecological knowledge, holding the secrets of survival and adaptation within their very cells. Their wisdom extends beyond mere survival. It encompasses a deeper understanding of interconnectedness and cooperation. The intricate mycorrhizal networks beneath the forest floor, a hidden web of communication, connect trees across vast distances, allowing them to share resources and warnings. This silent communication, this unspoken alliance, is a testament to the power of collaboration and the strength found in unity. As we stand in awe of these ancient beings, we must recognize the depth of their wisdom and the importance of respecting their place in the world. Their slow, deliberate growth, their unwavering resilience, their silent communication, all speak to the value of patience, long-term vision, and harmonious coexistence. The forests are not simply sources of timber or oxygen. They are repositories of ancient knowledge, living embodiments of the interconnectedness of life. Let us approach these magnificent beings with reverence and respect, recognizing the profound wisdom they hold, and striving to learn from their example, to live in harmony with the natural world, and to protect these invaluable ecosystems for generations to come. The wisdom of the woods is a gift to be cherished and protected, a legacy to be passed on. Gentle rustling of leaves and birdsong blend seamlessly into the background. Imagine, if you will, a world beneath the forest floor, a hidden realm teeming with life, a symphony of interconnectedness played out in the darkness. Here, among the tangled roots and the unseen fungal networks, a silent communication unfolds, a language spoken not in words, but in the subtle exchange of nutrients, water, and warnings. This is the world of the mycorrhizal network, a vast, intricate web connecting trees across vast distances, a living tapestry woven from the threads of fungal hyphae. Through this subterranean network, ancient trees whisper secrets to their younger kin, sharing the wisdom of generations, guiding their growth, and offering protection against the challenges of the forest. Picture a young sapling, its roots tentatively reaching out into the earth, seeking sustenance and guidance. The older trees, through the intricate network, sense its vulnerability and respond by sending a flow of nutrients and water, nurturing its growth, strengthening its resilience. This is not mere survival. It is a symphony of life, a harmonious dance between generations. The forest is not a collection of individual trees. It is a superorganism, a single, interconnected entity, where each part plays a vital role in the health and well-being of the whole. The trees, the fungi, the insects, the animals all are bound together in a complex web of relationships, each contributing to the intricate balance of the ecosystem. Imagine the sunlight filtering through the canopy, dappling the forest floor in a mosaic of light and shadow. Each beam of sunlight nourishes the leaves, fueling the process of photosynthesis, the engine that drives the forest's life. The leaves, in turn, release oxygen into the air, sustaining the life of countless creatures. It's a cycle of giving and receiving, a constant exchange of energy and resources. Listen closely, and you might hear the whispers of the wind rustling through the leaves, the gentle murmur of a stream flowing through the undergrowth, the chirping of birds singing their melodies among the branches. These are the sounds of the forest symphony, a harmonious blend of life, a testament to the beauty and complexity of the interconnected world. This intricate network, this symphony of life, is a source of wonder and inspiration, a reminder of the profound interconnectedness of all living things. It is a testament to the resilience of nature, its ability to adapt and thrive, even in the face of adversity. Let us cherish this interconnectedness, protect this delicate balance, and work to ensure that the symphony of life continues to resonate for generations to come. The forest song is a treasure to be protected. Sound of gentle wind chimes and a distant owl hoot. We stand before these silent giants, these ancient sentinels of the earth, and often fail to grasp the profound impact they have on our lives. They are not merely passive components of the landscape. They are active participants in the intricate dance of life, shaping our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. Trees are the lungs of our planet, the silent guardians of our atmosphere. Through the miraculous process of photosynthesis, they transform carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas contributing to climate change, into the very oxygen we breathe. Each leaf, each branch, each towering trunk plays a crucial role in regulating our climate, maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystem. Beyond their role in climate regulation, trees are vital to the health and well-being of countless species. They provide shelter and sustenance for a vast array of animals, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. Their roots stabilize the soil, preventing erosion and protecting water resources. Their leaves enrich the earth with nutrients, creating a fertile ground for life to flourish. Forests are not simply collections of trees. They are complex, interconnected ecosystems that support an incredible diversity of life. They are havens of biodiversity, home to countless species of plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms, all interacting and interdependent in a delicate balance. The loss of forests is not merely the loss of trees. It is the loss of an entire world of life. The health of our planet is inextricably linked to the health of our forests. As we face the challenges of climate change, deforestation, and habitat loss, the importance of protecting these vital ecosystems becomes ever more apparent. The trees are not just silent witnesses to the changes occurring on our planet. They are active participants in the struggle for survival. Consider the resilience of a tree facing a drought. It doesn't simply wither and die. It adapts, it conserves, it waits for the rains to return. This resilience teaches us a valuable lesson. Perseverance, adaptability, the capacity to endure hardship and emerge stronger on the other side. These are qualities we can learn from and emulate in our own lives. Let us recognize the profound contribution of trees to our planet's well-being. Let us remember that these silent guardians are essential to our survival, our prosperity, and our future. Their survival is our survival. Their well-being is our well-being. Let us honor their silent strength by protecting and preserving the forests that sustain us all. The future of our planet depends on it. Sound of gentle rustling leaves and a soft breeze. Our journey through the hidden lives of trees has revealed a world far more complex and interconnected than we ever imagined. We've listened to the whispers of the woods, the silent conversations carried on the wind and through the earth. We've uncovered a world where ancient wisdom resides in the rings of a tree trunk, where resilience is woven into the very fabric of the forest. We've discovered that trees are not solitary beings, but rather integral parts of a vast, interconnected community. Beneath our feet, a hidden world of mycorrhizal networks thrives, a subterranean internet connecting trees of all ages and species. Through this intricate fungal network, trees share resources, exchange information, and even warn each other of impending danger. This remarkable communication system fosters cooperation and interdependence, creating a resilient and thriving forest ecosystem. The concept of mother trees has illuminated the profound interconnectedness of the forest. These ancient matriarchs nurture younger generations, sharing their wisdom and resources, ensuring the survival of the entire community. They are the heart of the forest, the keepers of its knowledge, the guardians of its future. The growth rings of a tree, often overlooked, are more than just markers of time. They are a chronicle of the tree's life, a record of environmental changes, droughts, floods, and even fires. Each ring tells a story, whispering tales of resilience, adaptation, and the enduring power of nature. This deeper understanding of trees challenges our anthropocentric worldview. It reveals the remarkable intelligence and complexity of the natural world, reminding us that life is not simply a competition for survival, but a complex tapestry of cooperation and interdependence. The lessons we learn from trees are profound and far-reaching. They teach us about resilience in the face of adversity, the importance of cooperation and community, and the enduring wisdom of the natural world. They remind us of our interconnectedness with all living things and our responsibility to protect the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. As we conclude our exploration, let us carry with us the wonder and awe inspired by the hidden lives of trees. Let us remember the intricate communication systems, the profound resilience, and the deep interconnectedness that sustains these magnificent beings. May their wisdom guide us towards a future where humanity lives in harmony with the natural world, respecting and cherishing the silent guardians of our planet. The future of our forests, and indeed our own future, depends on it. Sound of gentle wind chimes and birdsong. Our understanding of the intricate communication networks within forests is still unfolding, a testament to the boundless wonders of the natural world. The discoveries we've shared today represent just the beginning of a long and fascinating journey into the hidden lives of trees. Scientists continue to explore the complexities of mycorrhizal networks, delving deeper into the chemical signals and electrical impulses that orchestrate the forest's silent conversations. Imagine the possibilities. What other secrets are hidden within these underground fungal highways? What sophisticated strategies do trees employ to communicate and cooperate? How does this intricate communication system adapt to changing environmental conditions? These are questions that fuel ongoing research, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and challenging our preconceived notions about the natural world. The study of tree communication is not merely an academic pursuit. It holds profound implications for our understanding of forest ecosystems and their crucial role in mitigating climate change. By unraveling the complexities of tree interactions, we can develop more sustainable forestry practices, ensuring the health and resilience of our forests for generations to come. This knowledge is invaluable in our efforts to protect biodiversity and maintain the delicate balance of nature. Consider the potential applications. Could we harness the wisdom of trees to inform our own strategies for resource management and community building? Could we learn from their resilience to develop more sustainable and adaptable systems? The answers to these questions lie in continued research and a deepening appreciation for the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Advanced technologies, such as sophisticated sensor networks and data analysis techniques, are playing an increasingly crucial role in expanding our understanding of tree communication. These tools allow researchers to monitor forest ecosystems in unprecedented detail, revealing the subtle nuances of tree interactions and providing invaluable insights into the dynamics of these complex systems. The ongoing dialogue between scientists and nature is a testament to humanity's enduring curiosity and our innate desire to understand the world around us. It's a journey of discovery, a continuous exploration of the wonders that surround us. Each new finding deepens our appreciation for the complexity and resilience of the natural world, inspiring awe and wonder at the interconnectedness of all living things. Let the whispers of the woods continue to guide us, inspiring a deeper connection with nature and a renewed commitment to protecting the magnificent ecosystems that sustain us. The ongoing dialogue with the trees, a conversation conducted through careful observation and scientific inquiry, holds the key to unlocking a future where humanity and nature thrive together in harmony. The story of the trees is far from over. It's just beginning. Sound of gentle rustling leaves and a flowing stream. As we conclude our journey into the hidden lives of trees, let us pause to reflect on the profound connection we share with these magnificent beings. We've explored their intricate communication networks, their resilience in the face of adversity, and their vital role in maintaining the health of our planet. But understanding is only the first step. True connection lies in experiencing the awe and wonder that these ancient giants inspire. Take a moment to visualize a towering redwood, its branches reaching towards the sky, its roots delving deep into the earth. Imagine the centuries it has witnessed, the countless stories etched within its growth rings, a silent chronicle of sun and rain, of fire and storm. Feel the ancient wisdom it holds, a legacy passed down through generations of leaves and needles. Close your eyes and listen. Can you hear the whispers of the wind rustling through the leaves, the gentle murmur of a stream flowing through the forest undergrowth? These are the sounds of a living, breathing ecosystem, a symphony of life orchestrated by the trees themselves. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with the crisp, clean air, purified and revitalized by the leaves. Let the scent of damp earth and pine needles soothe your senses. This is not just about passive observation. It's about active engagement, about cultivating a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Take a walk in the woods, feel the rough bark of a tree beneath your fingertips, observe the intricate patterns of its leaves. Touch the earth, feel its coolness against your skin, and connect with the life teeming beneath the surface. Find a quiet spot beneath the shade of a tree and simply be present. Allow the stillness of the forest to calm your mind, to wash away the stresses of daily life. Let the rhythmic pulse of nature soothe your soul and reconnect you to the deeper rhythms of the earth. Connecting with nature is not merely a pleasant pastime. It's a vital act of self-care, a way to replenish our spirits and foster a sense of belonging. It's a reminder that we are inextricably linked to the natural world, a part of the larger ecosystem that sustains us all. By fostering a deeper connection with trees, we cultivate a greater sense of responsibility towards their well-being and the preservation of the forests they inhabit. This is not simply a matter of environmental conservation. It's about nurturing a profound and lasting relationship with the natural world, a relationship built on respect, understanding, and a shared sense of wonder. The next time you encounter a tree, take a moment to acknowledge its presence, to appreciate its silent strength and enduring wisdom. Let its story inspire you, and let its resilience remind you of the interconnectedness of life. Remember the silent conversations happening beneath your feet, the hidden world revealed through science and felt through the heart. The trees are waiting to share their wisdom. Are you listening? Sound of birdsong and gentle breeze. Now, let's shift our focus from the scientific understanding of tree communication to the art of truly listening to the forest. It's not just about hearing the sounds, but about perceiving the subtle symphony of life unfolding around us. Imagine yourself immersed in a woodland, sunlight dappling through the leaves, creating a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. Take a deep breath, allowing the sense of pine, damp earth, and decaying leaves to fill your senses. Close your eyes and listen. What do you hear? The rustling of leaves, a distant bird's song, the gentle creak of branches swaying in the breeze. These are the whispers of the woods, subtle yet profound. But listening goes beyond simply hearing the sounds. It's about observing the silent language of the trees. Notice the way sunlight filters through the canopy, illuminating the intricate details of the leaves, the bark, the delicate wildflowers that carpet the forest floor. Observe the patterns of growth, the subtle variations in the shapes and sizes of the trees. each a testament to the unique challenges and opportunities they have faced throughout their lives. Look closely at the ground. Notice the network of roots, intertwined and interconnected, a silent testament to the hidden communication network beneath our feet. Imagine the unseen exchange of nutrients and information occurring beneath the surface, a constant dialogue between the trees, a silent conversation that shapes the life of the entire forest. Feel the texture of the bark, the roughness of an ancient oak, the smoothness of a young sapling. Imagine the stories etched within its surface, the silent witnesses to the passage of time. Touch the leaves, feeling their delicate structure, their subtle fragrance. Each leaf a tiny solar panel, converting sunlight into energy, fueling the life of the tree and contributing to the overall health of the forest. Let your senses guide you as you explore the forest, paying attention to the smallest details. Observe the insects buzzing around the flowers, the birds building their nests, the squirrels scurrying amongst the branches. Each creature plays a vital role in this interconnected ecosystem, contributing to the intricate web of life that sustains the forest. This active listening, this mindful observation, is a way to deepen our connection with the natural world and appreciate the complexity and wonder of the forest. It's about moving beyond a passive observation of nature to an active engagement with its intricate beauty and resilience. It's about learning to listen to the silent voices of the trees, the whispers of the wind, and the songs of the birds, all contributing to the grand symphony of life. Embrace the stillness and let the forest speak to you. Sound of a gentle stream and rustling leaves. As we've journeyed through the hidden lives of trees, we've uncovered a world of intricate communication, resilience, and interdependence. But beyond the fascinating science, let's pause to reflect on the profound gifts these silent giants bestow upon us, gifts that sustain life itself and nourish our souls. First and foremost, consider the breath of life, the oxygen we inhale with every breath. This vital element, essential for our survival, is a direct product of the tree's tireless work. Through the magic of photosynthesis, they transform sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into the very air we breathe, a continuous cycle of life and renewal. Imagine the vast scale of this process, a silent, ceaseless act of generosity that sustains all living creatures on this planet. Beyond the air we breathe, trees are the guardians of our water resources. Their roots, extending deep into the earth, stabilize the soil, preventing erosion and ensuring the steady flow of clean water into our rivers and streams. They act as natural filters, purifying water as it percolates through the earth, providing us with a precious resource essential for life. Think of the countless communities reliant on forests for their drinking water, for irrigation, for the sustenance of their livelihoods. The gift of clean water, flowing from the heart of the forest, is a testament to the vital role trees play in maintaining the balance of our planet. And then there's the crucial role trees play in regulating our climate. They absorb carbon dioxide, a major contributor to climate change, mitigating the effects of global warming. They moderate temperatures, reducing the intensity of heat waves and providing shade and coolness. Their presence helps to maintain the delicate balance of our planet's climate system, protecting us from the harshest extremes of weather. The trees stand as silent sentinels against the changing climate, a testament to their unwavering strength and resilience. But the gifts of the trees extend beyond the tangible. They offer solace and inspiration, a sanctuary for our minds and spirits. The beauty of a forest, the peace of a woodland walk, the calming effect of being surrounded by towering trees. These are gifts that nourish our souls and restore our balance. They inspire artists, poets, and writers, providing a source of wonder and creativity. They offer a place of refuge, a space for contemplation and connection with the natural world. The trees are a gift, a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. They are a symbol of resilience, of enduring strength, and of the profound beauty of the natural world. Let us cherish them, protect them, and learn from their wisdom, for in their silent generosity lies the well-being of our planet and the flourishing of our own lives. Their gift is a continuous cycle, a testament to the interconnected web of life, and a reminder of our responsibility to protect the very essence of our shared existence. sound of birdsong and gentle wind chimes. We've journeyed deep into the heart of the forest, uncovering the secrets whispered among the trees, their silent communication, their remarkable resilience. We've witnessed the intricate dance of life within these ancient ecosystems, a testament to nature's enduring wisdom. But our exploration is not merely an intellectual pursuit. It's a call to action, a plea for stewardship, a responsibility we share for generations to come. The forests, these living libraries of life, are not merely repositories of timber or sources of resources. They are the very lungs of our planet, the guardians of our water, the regulators of our climate. Their preservation is not a matter of choice, but a necessity, a moral imperative for the well-being of all life on Earth. The legacy we leave for future generations is inextricably linked to the health and vitality of our forests. Imagine a world devoid of the soothing rustle of leaves, the comforting shade of towering trees, the vibrant symphony of a thriving ecosystem. A world where the air is thick with pollution, where water sources are scarce and contaminated, where the climate is volatile and unpredictable. This is the stark reality we face if we fail to protect and preserve our forests. The task before us is not insurmountable, but it demands a collective effort, a global commitment to sustainable practices. It requires responsible forestry, mindful conservation, and a profound shift in our relationship with the natural world. We must move beyond simply extracting resources and embrace a holistic approach that prioritizes the long-term health and resilience of these vital ecosystems. This involves supporting sustainable logging practices, protecting endangered species, and restoring degraded habitats. It also requires a deeper connection with nature, a renewed appreciation for the intrinsic value of forests, and a recognition of their profound impact on our own well-being. By fostering a sense of responsibility and stewardship, we can inspire future generations to become guardians of these precious resources, ensuring that the whispers of the woods continue to resonate for centuries to come. Let us commit to protecting our forests, not merely for their inherent value, but for the sake of our children, our grandchildren, and all who will inherit this planet. Let us ensure that the legacy we leave behind is one of vibrant, thriving ecosystems, a testament to our commitment to preserving the beauty and wonder of the natural world. The fate of the forests is intertwined with our own destiny, and their preservation is a testament to our shared responsibility for the future. Let the sound of the forest be a constant reminder of the precious gift we must protect. Sound of gentle rain on leaves, the whispers of the woods have revealed a profound truth. We are inextricably linked to the fate of the trees. Their well-being is our well-being. Their survival is our survival. Having listened to their silent stories, having witnessed their quiet resilience, we are now called to act. This is not a passive observation. It is a call to action, a summons to participate in the ongoing narrative of life on Earth. The journey towards a healthier planet begins with individual choices. Consider the impact of your daily actions. Reduce your carbon footprint by embracing sustainable transportation, conserving energy, and supporting eco-friendly businesses. Choose to plant a tree, nurture its growth, and witness its silent contribution to the ecosystem. Support organizations dedicated to forest conservation and reforestation efforts. These seemingly small acts, when multiplied by millions, can create a powerful ripple effect. But individual efforts alone are not enough. We must also advocate for collective action, for policies that protect our forests and promote sustainable practices. Support legislation that safeguards natural habitats, promotes responsible forestry, and combats deforestation. Engage in constructive dialogue with policymakers, urging them to prioritize environmental protection and invest in sustainable solutions. Educate others about the importance of forest conservation, sharing the wonders we've uncovered in this journey. Let your voice be heard. Write to your elected officials, participate in community events focused on environmental stewardship, and support organizations working to protect our forests. Demand transparency and accountability from corporations involved in logging and resource extraction, ensuring sustainable and ethical practices. Let your choices reflect your commitment to a healthy planet, a planet where the whispers of the woods continue to resonate for generations to come. The preservation of our forests is not merely an environmental issue. It is a social, economic, and moral imperative. By protecting these vital ecosystems, we are safeguarding our own future, ensuring the well-being of our communities, and preserving the legacy of the natural world for future generations. Let us embrace this shared responsibility, working together to create a future where the forests thrive, where the air is clean and pure, where the water flows freely, and where the whispers of the woods continue to inspire awe and wonder in all who listen. Let the rustling leaves and the gentle breeze be a constant reminder of our commitment to protect and preserve this precious gift, this symphony of life that sustains us all. The time for action is now. The future of our forests, and indeed our own future, depends on it. Sound of a gentle breeze rustling through leaves, we stand at the edge of a vast, silent world, a world hidden beneath the soil, woven through the roots of ancient trees, a world of whispers and signals, of shared resources and silent communication. It is a world that has existed for millennia, a testament to the enduring power and resilience of nature. And as we listen, as we observe, as we learn, we begin to understand the profound wisdom encoded within the rings of a tree, within the intricate network of the forest floor. The trees stand tall, silent sentinels of the earth, bearing witness to the passage of time. Their lives are a testament to patience, to the slow, steady growth that shapes landscapes and sustains life. They are living libraries, their rings holding the history of seasons, of droughts and floods, of sunshine and shade. Each ring is a chapter in a story stretching back centuries, a silent narrative of adaptation and resilience. They are not simply passive participants in the grand scheme of things. They are active communicators, sharing resources, warning each other of danger, cooperating in a complex dance of survival. They are the architects of their own world, shaping the very environment in which they live, creating habitats for countless other species, nourishing the soil, and purifying the air we breathe. Their wisdom is not written in books or scrolls. It is etched in the grain of their wood, in the patterns of their leaves, in the intricate architecture of their root systems. It is a wisdom that transcends human understanding, a wisdom that speaks of interconnectedness, of balance, and of the delicate harmony of the natural world. The wonder of trees is not simply in their beauty, though they are undeniably magnificent. It is in their resilience, their adaptability, their quiet strength. It is in the unseen world that exists beneath the surface, a world of cooperation and communication that teaches us the importance of connection and interdependence. As we conclude this journey into the hidden lives of trees, let us carry with us the awe and wonder we have discovered. Let us remember the silent wisdom of the forest, the intricate connections that bind us to the natural world. Let the image of a single tree, rooted deep in the earth, reaching towards the heavens, be a symbol of our own resilience, our own capacity for growth, and our shared responsibility to protect this precious planet. Let us leave this place with a renewed sense of respect, a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things, and a profound appreciation for the enduring wonder and wisdom of the trees. Their story continues, and our own is inextricably woven into theirs. Sound of gentle rainfall on leaves. Imagine, if you will, a library older than any human civilization, a repository of knowledge stretching back millennia. This library isn't built of stone or wood, but of living tissue, of intricate networks woven beneath the earth and etched into the very heartwood of ancient trees. Each tree, a volume in this living archive, holds within its rings a chronicle of time, a silent testament to the passage of seasons, the ebb and flow of climate, the subtle shifts in the balance of nature. The growth rings, those delicate bands of light and dark, are not merely markers of age. They are stories whispered on the wind, etched in the language of wood. They speak of droughts and floods, of fierce storms and gentle rains, of the subtle changes in temperature and sunlight that shape the life of a forest. They are a record of resilience, a testament to the enduring power of life to adapt and overcome. But the wisdom of the trees extends far beyond the individual. Beneath the surface, a vast network of mycorrhizal fungi connects them, creating an intricate underground communication system. This living web, often unseen, yet profoundly influential, allows trees to share resources, to warn each other of danger, to cooperate in a symphony of survival. It is a testament to the interconnectedness of life, a reminder that even in the seemingly silent world of the forest, a vibrant exchange of information is constantly taking place. Think of the ancient redwoods, their towering forms reaching towards the sky, their roots intertwined in a subterranean embrace. They have witnessed centuries unfold, their rings bearing witness to the rise and fall of civilizations, the slow, inexorable march of geological time. Within their wood, within their intricate networks, lies a vast reservoir of knowledge, a silent wisdom that transcends human understanding. This knowledge is not easily accessed. It requires patience, observation, and a willingness to listen to the whispers of the wind, to feel the pulse of the earth beneath our feet. It is a knowledge that challenges our anthropocentric view of the world, reminding us that we are but a small part of a much larger, more intricate ecosystem. The legacy of the trees is not just in the oxygen they produce or the timber they provide, but in the silent wisdom they hold, in the intricate networks they create, in the enduring power of their resilience. Their story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life, and a call to protect the ancient wisdom held within the forests of the world. For within their rings and their networks lies a legacy that extends far beyond our own fleeting existence. It is a legacy that deserves our respect, our protection, and our enduring awe. Sound of birdsong at dawn, fading into gentle rustling leaves. We stand at the edge of a vast, silent conversation, a dialogue whispered on the wind, carried on the currents of the earth, etched into the very fabric of life itself. The trees, in their quiet majesty, have much to tell us, if only we learn to listen. Their legacy is not just in the timber they provide, the oxygen they create, or the shade they offer. It's a legacy woven into the intricate tapestry of life, a legacy of resilience, cooperation, and profound interconnectedness. Imagine the forest floor, a hidden world pulsating with life, where roots intertwine like ancient pathways, and fungal networks create a subterranean web of communication. This unseen world connects every tree, every plant, every creature, in a symphony of survival. It is a testament to the power of collaboration, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way to thrive. The growth rings of ancient trees, those silent chronicles of time, bear witness to the passage of seasons, the shifts in climate, the resilience of life against the odds. Each ring is a story, a testament to the enduring power of nature to adapt, to endure, and to regenerate. They are a legacy written in the language of wood, a language that speaks volumes about the interconnectedness of all things. Think of the seeds scattered on the wind, each a tiny vessel carrying the potential for new life, for new growth, for the continuation of this ancient dialogue. Each seed holds the promise of a future forest, a future where the silent wisdom of the trees continues to shape our world. And as we stand at the edge of this ancient conversation, we are reminded of our own place within this intricate web of life. We are not separate from the trees, not separate from the forest, but an integral part of this larger living system. Our actions, our choices, have profound consequences for this delicate balance. Let us carry this understanding with us, this sense of wonder and awe as we move forward. Let us be custodians of this legacy, protectors of the forest, guardians of the silent wisdom held within the trees. Let the image of the forest, a living, breathing testament to the power of life and interconnectedness, resonate within us, a symbol of hope, resilience, and the enduring legacy of the natural world. For the whispers of the woods will continue to echo through time, reminding us of our place within this grand, magnificent, and ever-evolving tapestry of life. The forest song is a song of enduring life, and it's a song we must learn to sing along with. Sound of a gentle breeze whispering through leaves. The story of the trees is not one that ends with this episode. It is a story that continues, unfolding with every season, every sunrise, every falling leaf. It's a story etched in the rings of ancient giants, whispered on the wind through rustling branches, and sung in the quiet hum of the forest floor. It is a story of resilience, adaptation, and unwavering connection. We have glimpsed a hidden world, a subterranean realm of communication and cooperation, a testament to the extraordinary interconnectedness of life. We've learned how trees, seemingly silent and still, engage in a constant dialogue, sharing resources, warnings, and wisdom across vast distances. Their lives are not solitary affairs, but a vibrant, ever-evolving community, a complex ecosystem where every element plays a vital role. The ancient trees stand as living archives, their growth rings recording the passage of centuries, the ebb and flow of climate, the resilience of life in the face of change. They remind us of the cyclical nature of time, the constant dance between growth and decay, life and death. Their silent wisdom speaks to the enduring power of nature, a power that surpasses human understanding. But the story of the trees is also a story about us, about our relationship with the natural world. It's a story that challenges our anthropocentric worldview, reminding us of our place within this intricate web of life. We are not separate from the trees, not separate from the forest, but an inextricable part of this vast, interconnected ecosystem. The health of the forests is inextricably linked to our own well-being. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the climate that sustains us all are influenced by the health and vitality of these ancient ecosystems. The future of the forests is, therefore, our future. As we conclude this journey into the hidden lives of trees, let us carry with us a profound sense of awe and responsibility. Let us remember the quiet wisdom of the woods, the intricate dance of life beneath the forest floor, the silent conversation that has been unfolding for millennia. Let us be mindful of our impact, our actions, and our role in preserving this vital part of our planet's legacy. Let the image of the forest, a symphony of life played out across centuries, remain with you. The song of the trees is a song of resilience, of interconnectedness, of the enduring power of nature. It is a song we must listen to, learn from, and strive to protect, for the future of the forests is the future of our world, a future that depends on our understanding and our commitment to preserving the delicate balance of life on Earth. The story continues, and our role in it remains to be written.